Hi there! In this video, I will teach you how to authorize a computer for Apple Music. Authorizing a computer for Apple Music protects the copyrights of purchased content and allows you to access your Apple account. To do so, go to the top menu and click Account. Click Authorizations and click Authorize this computer. It will then ask you to sign in to your Apple account. Type in your email, click Authorize, and then put your password. Click Authorize button, wait for it to load, and in a few seconds it will show a notification that you have successfully authorized your computer. It will also show how many computers are available for authorization. Click OK. Now, if you want to deauthorize your computer, go to the top menu again and click Account. Choose Authorizations and click Deauthorize this computer. Just like earlier, you will be asked to sign into your Apple account. Click Deauthorize and input your password. Click Deauthorize again and wait for it to load. Then a notification will say that this computer has been successfully deauthorized. And that's it.